look into Python tuples. Python tuples. Here, tuple can be represented using braces. So T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a tuple. And here we use braces. In lists, we are using square brackets. So here we are using braces. Print T1 of 2. Same as list, we have indexing here. 0th element is 1, first element is 2, second element is 3. So now T1 of 2 will be 3. Print T1 of 2 is to 4. That means this is the first element, and excluding this up to this last element, that is excluding 4. So the first element is 2, 2 is 3, and then the next element is 3, that is 4. Fourth element is 5. So we will exclude fourth element and we will include second element. So this will print 3 and 4. And let us take T2 is equal to A, B, C, D, E. And similarly we print T2 of 2, which would be C, and T2 of 2 to 4, which would be C and D. And T3 is equal to, we are taking numbers and alphabets, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. Same, T3 of 2 is equal to 3, and T3 of 2 to 4, that is second element would be A, second element would be 3 because 0, 1, 2, and then the third element, because we are excluding fourth element, so the third element would be this A. Let us execute and see the results. The first one is, it has printed 3 because T1 of 2 is the second element is 3 in this, and here it has printed T1 of 2 is to 4, that is the second element and third element. We will exclude the fourth element. Second and third elements are 3 and 4. And T2 of 2, that is second element. Second element here in T2 would be C. So it has printed C. And 2 is to 4 is second and third elements. We are excluding fourth element. So C and D. Same is the case here in T3. We are taking both numbers and alphabets. So second element would be 3, and second and third elements excluding the fourth element would be 3 and A. Now let us add two tuples. So we'll take T1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and T4 is equal to 6, 7, 8, and T5 is equal to T1 plus T4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, 7, 8. So when you add it and print that T5, all elements are added in this T5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 are added. And we can delete T5 as in lists. We can use the del statement to delete T5, and when we print T5, because we have deleted it, we'll get error. Let us execute this. The initial print would be T5. That is T5 is T1 plus T4. That is, it is showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have deleted T5. And then we are printing T5 again. So print T5 error. Name error. Name T5 is not defined because we use del to delete T5. So it is erroring out. Out of all collections, these tuples are not changeable. They are immutable. So let us see. Let's try to change and see. We can change it. So now T1 of 0th element is showing 1. I want to give it as 8, and then let's see whether we can assign it like this, and then print T1, because it is going to error out there itself. Let us see. T1 of 0 is equal to 8. Type error, tuple. Object does not support item assignment. So you can't assign to that item because their tuples are immutable and you can't change the tuples.